Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sharma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about solution of some more problems in exercise number 3.3. I have discussed earlier some problem in the exercise number 3.3. So there are also some most important problems in the exercise number 3.3, which are very important for the examination point of view. That one is a question number 21. Question number 21, that is proof. Cos 4x, cos 3x, cos 2x divided by sin 4x, sin 3x, sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. We have to start from LHS. Here in the LHS, cos 4x, cos 3x, cos 2x, so we have to combine first cos 4x and cos 2x, and this is, that is, we can write it cos 4x, cos 2x, cos 3x, cos 4x and cos 2x, now sin 4x, sin 2x, sin 3x. We have to apply the formula sin A, cos A plus cos B in this, and sin A plus sin B in this. We know cos A plus cos B. What is this? Cos A plus cos B. I have discussed this already earlier. Cos A plus cos B, this is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Therefore, we write cos A, this is 2 cos, in place of A we write 4x here, 4x plus 2x, this is B by 2 cos 4x minus 2x by 2. And for this we know sin A plus sin B, this is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Therefore, we can write sin A plus sin B, we consider 4x as A and 2x as B, so 2 sin 4x plus 2x A plus B by 2 cos 4x minus 2x, this is 2 plus cos 3x, it will remain same, and sin 3x, it will remain same. Now 2 cos 4x plus 2x 6x divided by 2, it is cos 3x. Cos 4x minus 2x divided by 2, it is x. 2 sin 6x divided by 2, it is also 3x, it is also cos x, plus cos 3x plus sin 3x. Now we have take common from here, cos 3x, therefore cos 3x common, therefore 2 cos x remain here, here is 1. Here also we can take common sin 3x, therefore sin 3x common, remaining 2 cos x plus 1, this is cancel, Therefore, we cos 3x by sin 3x, it is cot 3x, and this is RHS. And in this way you can easily prove it. Next problem, it is question number 22. This is question number 22. It is given as proof cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x is equal to 1. Proof. We know cot 3x is equal to cot 2x plus x. We can write cos 3x as cot 2x plus x. 2x plus x means cot 3x. Now we apply the formula cot a plus by cot x plus y. We know it is as cot x plus y. I have already discussed this in the last classes. Cot x plus y, it is cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot y. You can write it as cot x cot y minus 1 cot x plus cot y. So here cot x plus this, we can take x twice x and y as y. Therefore we can write is cot 2x cot x minus 1 divided by cot, this is 2x plus cot x. This is cot 3x. Now you cross multiply it. This is and this is, we can take consider this 1. Now cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x, and this is cot 2x cot x minus 1. It is multiplied to 1. It is 3x. Just we simplify it. Cot 3x cot 2x cot 3x cot x cot 2x cot x minus 1. Here it is a cot minus 1. We can take as at first we write cot x plus cot 2x, cot x plus cot 2x here minus this is cot 2x cot x cot 2x here, this is here. Next this is cot 3x cot 2x. Next cot 3x cot x is equal to minus 1. If we multiply both sides with minus 1, then it will remain, it will plus, it will minus, it is minus, it will plus. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, it is cot x, it will be plus, it will be minus, negative, cot x, it will also be negative, it will be positive. This is the result we want to prove. Cot x cot 2x cot x cot 2x cot 2x cot 3x cot 2x cot 3x cot 3x cot 3x cot 3 is equal to 1. Next problem I want to discuss, that is question number 23. That is most important also. Question number 23. That is 10 4x. 10 4x is equal to 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x 1 minus 6 10 square x plus 10 to the power 4x. That's now proof that LHS 10 4x we can write it as 10 2 twice x. We know the formula, that is 10 twice x is equal to 2 to 10x 1 minus 10 square x. Now if we replace this is 2 times, that is, this implies 10 2 times of 2x is equal to, this x will be 2 times 2 10 twice x and 1 minus 10 square twice x. This is 2 times of, this is 2 times. Therefore we can write this as 10 to 2x means 2 10 2x 1 minus 10 square 2x. Now what is 10 2x? 10 2x means 2 10x 1 minus 10 square x. 1 minus, this is 10 2x, this is also 2 10x 1 minus 10 square, there is square, so we have to give square here. Now just we have to simplify it. 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x, this is 1 minus 4 10 square x, this is 2 4 10x, here is square, therefore 10 square x, 1 minus 10 square x, there will be square here for this. Now 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x, if we take LCM 1 minus 10 square x whole square, this is 1 will convert it to this 1 minus 10 square x whole square minus 4 10 square x. This is 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x divided by, if we simplify, this is a minus b whole square formula, 1 minus twice 10 square x, a minus a square minus twice ab plus b square, it is will be 10 to the power 4x minus 4 10 square x divided by 1 minus 10 square x. From here we can write this is as 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x into, it will be the numerator 1 minus 10 square x whole square, this is denominator 1 minus 2 10 square x 10 to the power 4x minus 4 10 square x. Now this and this squares cancel. Therefore, in the numerator remain 4 10x, 1 minus 10 square x. In the denominator, 1 minus 2 10 square x, 4 10 square x, therefore 6 10 square x plus 10 to the power 4x. This is RHS, therefore proved. The last problem I have to discuss is this is question number 25. This is also most important. This is question number 25. This is cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Prove LHS. Cos 6x. We can write it as cos 2 3x. Cos 2x. We know cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Therefore, this is 2. If x is converted to 6x, that is, it is cos 2x, then this x will be also converted to 3x. Therefore, 2 cos square 6 3x minus 1. We can write cos 6x as cos 2 into 3x. Cos 2 into 3x means 2 cos square 3x minus 1. That is 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now we write this cos 3x formula. What is cos 3x? It is also discussed earlier. This is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is. Therefore, 2 cos 3x means 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. They are square, so we have to write square here minus 1. Now we just simplify it. A minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula. This is a square. A square minus twice AB 4 cos cube x 3 cos x plus b square. This is b square 3 cos x whole square minus 1. This is 4 16 cos to the power 6x. This is 2 4 8 24 cos to the power 4x. This is 9 cos square x and minus 1. Now we will multiply with 2 here. 2 32 cos to the power 6x 48 2 into 24 cos to the power 4x 2 into 9 18 cos square x. This is minus 1. This is RHS. This is about the problem. Next class I shall discuss about trigonometric equation. So for today I have stopped it.